I don't know what will happen in next time.
Yes, yes. We don't know
Hmm.
the next chapter of our life, but we can take talk about the
Hmm.
present only. In the present
Hmm.
moment, if we're happy, we can say only about the present moment. It's absolutely difficult to say, completely difficult to say what is going to happen in the life is unpredictable. You cannot
Yes.
predict anything. So,
So there is.
so I
Hmm.
have seen that you make a solo videos. So, how much time do you take to make your videos?
How I get.
How much time you take to make your solo videos?
It's different to make solo video because whenever you start speaking, so I think I took 30 videos, I deleted, then I make another one, then I start, okay, it's not better for me, then I start another to make. So it's happened to make whenever you are making solo videos, so it's difficult. So whenever you are making
Yes.
conversations video, I can say that this is so easy because you are talking to each other. But when you are making solo video, so you think that you have to give your 100% there. The people will and
Right.
people will be interesting. So
Yes, yes. We try to be more perfect. We try to really, really, I have also noticed. And I can't make solo videos because it takes much time. So I
yeah.
think that it's more convenient to make conversation videos. It also,
Hmm.
when I talk with other people, I also enjoy talking with others. And it doesn't
Hmm.
take that much time. But when I start making solo videos, it takes much time. And
Much.
I also feel monotonous. So it's always better to talk with other people. I always go for that.
So have you
Okay,
tried
so
to make solo video?
yes, I at my initial days I used to make solo videos and I uploaded solo videos that time. But these days I don't make solo videos. I love talking with others and I download this
Hmm.
kind of videos and then I edit and then I upload on my channel. I don't do anything other than that.
Oh wow.
So what do you think that which videos people are watching the most? Is it solo videos or they want to watch conversation videos? On your channel, what
Hmm.
happens for you?
According to me, they want to make they are nowadays they are watching solo video because in that video they can say how they can improve English language at home. And by the conversations video, they also there are some people they are sharing their opinion that how you can improve your English conversation. So I think they both are people watching. It depends on them what they want to watch, right?
Oh, okay. So how's
Hmm.
your channel going? Has your channel got monetized?
No, 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 Shatabdi, it's not. Nowadays, it's not going good because I am getting very bad views right now. I posted one video yesterday, and in that video, I got only 34 views. So I am little bit depressed. I don't know why I'm not getting good views. So is it happen with you also?
Yeah, 10 days back, I made a video with Jodu. So that
Mm.
video got views like 3.6K views. That video got
Mm-hmm.
views.
Mm-hmm.
And every day, if I upload, they get like 150 views, 150 views. Each video gets
Mm-hmm.
like this kind of views, not
Yes.
much. And if I talk about my watch time hours, it has become 1,685 hours.
Okay. And how many video have you posted now on your channel?
I have uploaded 220 plus video. I have uploaded
Okay. So I don't know why it is
220
happening with
plus.
you. I posted only
Mhm.
uh, less than 100. It will be completed soon, but I have completed 2000 subscribers till now, and I have
2,000 subscribers.
not subscriber watch hours I have completed, and I have completed 560 subscribers. I think I have right now.
560. Okay, so do any of your friends or relatives know about your channel?
Now my family, slowly, my family know about my channel, and they are shocked how she is making a YouTube video. And after now know my channel, and now they are saying that how you are learning this language, and please some give me some trick that we also want to start our channel, like English conversation channel.
Okay, so how did they come to know about your channel? I want to know that.
I told to my husband that I want to make my English conversations channel, so my husband know only. But now my husband said, okay, now he has now she completed 500. So one by one, my friend, my husband tell to anyone, Nitu is making
Oh,
English conversations video. If you want to learn this language, so you can subscribe her channel. So that's
okay.
how my husband tell to
People are
everyone.
going to know.
Hmm.
Okay. But I no one knows in my friend circle, in my
Hmm.
relatives. Only my elder sister knows, and my younger
Hmm.
sister knows, and my mother, my parents know. And nobody knows about my channel. I haven't revealed yet. I have
Hmm.
decided that when I will get success, then only I will disclose this.
Hmm.
Otherwise, I
Hmm.
will not tell anybody about my channel. Yes.
Satabdi, I was also thinking about this, but my husband doesn't digest this thing. He tell to everyone. I said to him, "Why are you telling him? Why are you telling them?" So he said to me, "What happened? He will see your video. Your watch hours will be complete soon." So he is saying these things to me. Okay, let it be go. I can say these things to my husband.
Yes, yes, but
Hmm.
yeah, but and right now
Hmm.
what happens? No one knows about my channel, so I can make videos comfortably. I can, but
Hmm.
if
Hmm.
everyone knows that time, I will feel hesitant. So that's
Yes.
why I haven't revealed it. So that time I might think, oh my God, my family members, my relatives, my friends are going to watch. So I have to be
Uh,
perfect in now. But right now I don't have to think about those kind of things as I have to be perfect.
hmm.
But
Hmm.
if I reveal my channel to anybody, then a lot of negative things will come in my mind and it will
Yes.
hinder my journey. So that's
Hmm.
why I haven't told anybody. But when I will get success, definitely I will let everyone know about my channel. But right now I haven't revealed.
Yesterday what happened, Shatabdi, my husband went his cousin's home. So they are they are all my husband's all brothers are staying each other. So at that time my husband told us everyone that Neetu is running a YouTube channel. So my jade asking what is her channel name. And 2 days ago he comments on my video, okay, you are going good, or these things happen with me. And now I'm saying, now I'm thinking, okay, I have to make video calmly, I have to speak good, because they will comment on my video, because I think every day he will watch my video.
Absolutely. Your relatives
Hmm.
and friends, if they come to know, definitely
Hmm.
they're going to watch every day your videos. So
Hmm.
yeah, it's true.
It's true. And now my husband supports me that yes, you can do something. And if you want to, you can earn something by YouTube. So it's a, like, sometimes I feel, okay, it's a compliment. But when you are like, only 1 month after, I will complete my 1 year. So slowly, I'm thinking that, okay, I will not monetize my channel, because in a 1 year, I have to complete both watch hours
No,
and subscribers.
no, it's not like that. YouTube only count last 365 days. So it doesn't matter when you started your YouTube channel. If you started your YouTube channel 2 years back, but you have to complete your watch time hours and subscribers they will only count last 365 days. You don't need to worry about that you are going to complete 1 year, so after 1 year
Hmm.
your channel will not monetize. It is not like that.
Yeah, yesterday I was talking mail. So I was asking, okay, I will completed my 1 year, but still I'm not completed my watch hours and subscriber. So he said to me, if you didn't complete your watch hours, so your one by one your watch hours will be decreased. I was shocked at how it will happen because I'm doing hard work for my channel.
Yes,
So
yes. They
hmm,
will count only last 365 days. Last 365. Within last 365 days, you have to complete your watch time hours and you have to complete your subscribers, 1,000
okay.
subscribers.
So right now, how many subscriber do you have?
Right now, I have 600 subscribers.
Hmm. So it's good. Like, how's your YouTube journey is going?
These days, it's going good. Earlier,
Hmm.
a few months back, I didn't get views at all. So that's why
Hmm.
I think otherwise I could have achieved more watch time hours, but
Hmm.
I didn't work on a regular basis that time. I
Hmm.
took a long gap, so that also hinder to get views and to.
Yes.
So, but these days I'm consistent, so that is why these days are going. You have to be consistent on YouTube. If you
Yes.
don't upload videos on your channel, you are not going to get good views. You are not going to get subscribers. So these days I'm uploading every day. If it is possible for me to upload two videos, I upload two videos. So this is
Okay.
how I'm yes,
Okay.
and this is how I'm getting good views. Compared to earlier, I'm getting good views these days. And
Hmm.
I haven't made any videos with famous YouTubers apart from Jodhu. So
Hmm.
I am thinking that I should make videos with
Make.
Shanta ma'am, or I can make videos with Dehati madam. But
Hmm.
I sent email Dehati madam 3 times, but she didn't reply. But I never
Hmm.
ever sent email to Shanta ma'am. So I'm thinking that I would send email to Shanta ma'am. I can
Hmm.
send her email. And when you do videos with a famous YouTuber, you get good views
It
on
will.
those videos.
Yes. When I make one video with Jadoo, at that time my video going to 4.6K. So at that time, my this video is going day by day. It's that video is getting good views. So I can say that it's happened when you are making videos with famous people. It will affect your
Famous,
channel.
yeah. Mhm.
Hmm. So, but
Yeah.
I message Mansi ma'am, housewife corner. I sent to her message, but she didn't reply me. She on one day she replied me. Then she said to me, "Do you have Skype?" Yes, I said. Okay, give me 2 minutes. Do you know English? She said to me these things. So I never messaged her because I was thinking she has little bit attitude of this because nowadays she is also getting so famous. Not that much famous, but yes, today
Mhm.
he has something.
Mhm.
Hmm.
I had a conversation with her, but I didn't get that video. She
Hmm.
uploaded that video on her channel. I didn't get that video. I don't know why I didn't get that video. She
Hmm.
sent me an link on Instagram, and I
Hmm.
joined that link, and then I didn't get the video. I don't know why. So she uploaded that video, and on her Facebook channel also uploaded that video, and that video got 3 lakhs views on Facebook channel.
So
What I
it's
did.
good. Like you are like just because of you and she got that much views, right? And
No,
now you
it's
can
not
say that.
that people.
Hmm?
Mhm.
Sorry, what did you say?
Yeah, yeah, it happens. Some good videos they don't get that much views. Some bad videos they
Yes.
get views. So it depends on YouTube algorithm. It totally.
Hmm.
If you feel that this video is very good, this video is going to get viral. This video is
Hmm.
going to get good views. It doesn't
Hmm.
happen. So it
Hmm.
depends on YouTube algorithm. They promote videos, and how it works, I don't know. But yeah,
I.
definitely, if you are
Mhm.
consistent on this platform, definitely one day you are going to achieve all your dreams, or you are going to
Hmm.
fulfill all your dreams. I can say that. If you are consistent, you have to be consistent.
sometime I was thinking this video will get viral, this video will get good views, but it's opposite happened with me because this that video get only 100 views, 125 views. So I was so depressed why these people are not watching these videos, but it ups to them. Because I think that whenever
The-
we are making we are make giving our 100%, the people are not liking it, so we have to give our 200%, right?
yes.
Hmm.
And yeah, on YouTube, what happens? People are working for 3, 4 hours, and after that,
Hmm.
they're getting success. So it takes much time to, if you work on YouTube, if you want to be a YouTuber, then you have
Hmm.
to be patient because it takes much time.
Hmm. So this is your first channel, Shatabdi?
Yeah, it's my first channel, and earlier, when during the period of lockdown, I created a channel, but I
Hmm.
didn't continue that channel. I uploaded only 28 videos on my channel, and what
Hmm.
I did, I shared that channel link with everybody, and
Oh.
that is what stopped me, I think. If I
Hmm.
hadn't shared that link today, I would be a good YouTuber, I think so. So
Oh.
I shared that channel link. So I used to think that the people are going to watch me, my relatives, my friends, my relatives,
Hmm.
they are going to watch. So that kind of thoughts like stopped me to create videos on that
Hmm.
channel. And again, I have decided, and this time I haven't made that mistake. I haven't shared this link with anybody because I will not be able to work comfortably. So that is why I haven't shared with anybody. If somebody knows, is
Hello.
it okay now?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Companies are
So
calling me.
yeah,
Sorry.
it happens. So if all of a sudden somebody comes to know, that's okay. Otherwise, intentionally, I'm not going to share. And I always
Hmm.
pray to God, please, God, don't
Hmm.
let know anybody after
Hmm.
before getting success. Please let me get successful on this channel, and then let other people. But
Hmm.
I don't know what is going to happen.
Same here. I was thinking like that when my channel will be get monetized. At that time, I will share a story, Instagram story. At that time, they will know about my channel. But just because of my husband, he tells you everyone. So my this team is not felt.
Yeah,
So
it happens. So
hmm,
it's okay. Your relatives, your friends are going to watch, so your watch time will gain. You will get good
hmm,
amount of watch time.
they will not watch. They will all. They I think they are just watching that how I'm behaving, how I'm talking to other. Whenever they will meet now, they will all come in Raksha Bandhan. So they will, oh, I know they all talk about my channel. How I did you start this? What is your need? Now you are a housewife. So they people will come and they will saying me these things. And now my Jikhani also know about my channel. So I never told to tell her that yes, I am running a YouTube channel, but now she know about my relatives. So she asked, she wants to ask, but she never want. Like she said to me, okay, Neetu will tell by herself. She said
Oh,
to
okay,
she
okay,
want these things.
okay,
Hmm.
okay. So, ma'am, can you wrap up the session? Actually, I don't know. My mother is calling me, so
Oh,
something has happened. I have to go. So it was really nice talking to you. Thank you so much. It's
thank.
always pleasure talking to you. Definitely we'll connect later. Have a nice day.
Oh,
Bye.
same here, dear. Same.